Today I will be sharing with you how I created this wall sconce with Dollar Tree materials. If you want to see how I created this beautiful wall sconce, stay tuned. Hello Bree Stylers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, I'm Bree, and welcome to Modern Living with Bree, where I share DIYs, decorating, and organization to keep my modern home comfortable and beautiful, while providing ideas and inspiration for your home. Coming up for today, here's my inspiration photo, guys. I came across this photo looking for sconces that I wanted to purchase, and I looked at this one and said, I can do this. I think I can do this from Dollar Tree items. And I thought this was a great light. It would look stunning against a long wall or in a accent wall. It would just look beautiful. So I thought I would do this just to try it out and use it in my laundry room. And if it turns out great, I'll be using it a lot more in my home. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with our form. Our form are these two napkin holders from Dollar Tree. And then we're going to start with the actual outer shell of our sconce, and that's these dowels. Now, Dollar Tree do not sell these anymore. I had to look around and try to find them, and I couldn't find them at any Dollar Tree. I talked to the manager of Dollar Tree. She hasn't seen them in a while. Go online and see if they have it, and I did so, and they no longer carried it. So I did find a Crafters, I think it's called Crafters Center or Crafters something on eBay, and I think they were selling four in a bag for $7 or a piece. So I just wanted to go on Amazon and get a lot of them because I use these all the times, guys. I even have them in different sizes. I even did a dupe last year that I fell in love with. If you guys want to see that, I'll link that in icon above. But I decided to get some short ones, and I got 100 in a box from Amazon for about 20 bucks. That might be a little steep, but you know, like I said, I use them all the time, so that's fine with me. The next thing that you would need are some nylon ties. These are from Dollar Tree, so you can find those there. The next thing is some puck lights. These are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to share with you guys an easier way for your light system. You're also going to need some plaster. I had some plaster, and I put some in here. So you're going to need some plaster. You're going to need, I use these sponge brushes. These are from Dollar Tree. And other items that's not from Dollar Tree, I need about a dollop of this, some acrylic paint. And the reason I didn't buy this at Dollar Tree, they do have it, is because I had this already and I wasn't going to need a lot of it. And lastly, we have some spray paint that we already have. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Try to put this as even as possible before I tie the forms down, because I want this edge right here pretty even. So we're going to see, can we do that? We're going to take our little ties and we're going to tie it so make sure that we have it close together and a nice even. Kind of hard to do with one hand. This much easier than it looks. Okay, there we go. See, now our edges here is tight and even. Trying to see if I should do some more tying, but I think that's good enough. As you can see here, it's pretty, this is what I'm looking at right here. It's pretty even. Okay, so now we're going to cut these off. So as I turn these over, you can see that the rod is gone that goes across here. The two rods has been cut, and the reason I did that is to have an opening for our puck when we get ready to change batteries, or if it stops working we can replace it. So we're going to take this and put this way first. Make sure that our little form is straight. Now this is 6 inches, so about a ½ inch on each side would be hanging over. So we are going to do a dollop of glue here, 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 and there. Okay, so we have our first rod. Now we have to make sure that it's even going all the way up. And now second dollop. Basically you have to make sure when you glue this on here, because this sticks pretty good, that it's very even. And this is my first time doing this, and I'll probably be doing this a lot more times, because if it turns out nicely, then you can find a lot of places where you can use these little nice accent lights. Your kitchen, your laundry room, your bathroom, your bedroom, by your if you're living in an apartment and you're you don't have a light near your bed, this would be a nice little beautiful wall sconce that you can take down when you leave using command strips. You don't even have to put holes in the wall. Okay, so you get the idea, right? So we're going to go ahead and fast forward this and continue to glue this all the way around, and then we will go to the next step. Get rid of all the little glue strings in here. All right. Okay. So now there you have it. We have our rod sconce. Now, as you can see, there is spaces in between each of these rods. They're even at the top and at the bottom. So what we're going to do now is take our spackle and we're going to add about a little dollop of black paint. Now you can use white paint if you want to have your sconce white, gray paint, red paint, whatever color you want your sconce. I'm doing it as black. Now basically what I'm doing, I'm mixing this up that it comes to a paste like, let's see, icing, I guess you could say. Consistency of icing. So basically what I'm doing, I'm trying to make it look like a knockdown surface, paint, texture, and just to give it some interest. You see that? I think that it's going to be pretty once it's painted black. So we are going to let this dry. Okay, we are going to give this a coat or two of spray paint. Like I said, this is what we're using. Shake it up and start with our first coat. Okay, we're going to let our first coat dry, and then we're going to turn it on the inside and spray that. Okay, here is the sconce. It needs a few more, I'm thinking maybe a half an hour to dry before we be able to install it. So we're going to put that over to the side. Here are the pucks from a Dollar Tree, and it's pretty bright, as you can see, but you have to snap it on and off to turn it on, which is an inconvenience. So what I suggest are pucks with a remote control, and this is what I will be using because these come on without having to push the top like so. So I'm going to put these inside here once that dries, and then we will install it. So this is what I was talking about when I cut out that surface in the back. You can easily put your puck in and take it out like so when you need to. So we're going to go ahead and install this on the wall. Love that it's on a remote control because all I have to do is just click the on button. It also has a timer on the remote. It has a dimmer on the remote, so you can do it as high as you want or as low as far as how much light you want. And another benefit I like is that you don't have to have both lights on. You can just have one light, and that will be the top light, or you can just have the bottom light on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. It really helps my channel out. And also, if you like more of these DIY high-end dupes, go ahead and put in the comments, and I will go ahead and do some more of these. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I will see you on the next one. You made it to the end of the video, so you must like what you see. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel? It doesn't cost a thing, and I love to have you part of the Bree Style family. Also, click the notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload. I see you on the next one. Smooches!